Welcome to the Mechanic Desk help videos. In this tutorial, we will cover the various options available while working on both a job and invoice. Once you have logged into Mechanic Desk, select a job you wish to edit. To add work to a job within the check sheet section, click on the Add Work button to display a field where you can type in the work described as well as a comment here if required. Once you have added your work, hit Save. Click on Add Work as needed to add more work to the check sheet. Note the box provided in which you can place a tick as each part of the service is completed. To edit the job details, simply click on the relevant section such as the customer or vehicle fields here. If photos are required for the job, let's say before and after roadworthy pictures, click on the Upload button in the Photos region, then click Choose File to navigate your computer for the required file. Don't forget to click on the Save button to complete each upload. You can use the Timesheet section at the bottom of the screen to monitor time spent on a task. You can either click on the Add button here to enter specific time values and assign a mechanic, or select Clock On to begin work and clock off when completed. You can also generate a PDF of the job card here anytime. To the right of the job card is the invoice. This is where you will add your parts. Here, click on the Plus Item button to add items directly to the invoice. Type in the first few letters of the item's name and select it from the drop-down. Hit Enter on your keyboard to add this item to the invoice. Note you can discount each individual line here, or discount the overall invoice at the bottom of the invoice here. To preview your changes, click on the Print Invoice button here to generate a PDF of the invoice. You can email your invoice here as well by selecting Email Invoice and hitting Send. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Mechanic Desk support team.